All right, we're gonna take a ride on this amazing old vintage elevator here inside of a random store. So we're gonna go inside and check it out. All the way up. Going up.
That's it.
What was that?
That's it.
Can you take me all the way up? I love the motor on this. All right, can you take this thing all the way down and all the way back up just so I can get the full effects of this? All the way back up to the top. Okay, now, oh, this time, not yet, not yet. All right, you can take me back down to where you picked me up.
It will break. We don't want it to break.
Uh-huh, yeah, I understand. But anyways, I'm gonna get my cab view. I don't want to get you in the picture.
There you go, my friend.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
All right, this is your crank, and this is a Watson elevator. According to Gabe, this is a Watson elevator. Big thanks to the amazing man for letting me ride. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.